video day, guys. So for today's video, we're going to be doing my October 2019 BOXYCHARM unboxing. Got my box sitting right here in front of me, all opened up because I have some of the items already on my face because I wanted to try them on and I wanted to get everything like kind of on my face already, and I did that. So I'm doing the intro after I've already gone through this box. So how we're gonna do this is I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that came in my October of 2019 BOXYCHARM, and then from those items, I'm gonna tell you guys which items I'm gonna be trying on, and the other items I will probably keep for a future giveaway. So let's go ahead and let's get right into the box. So BOXYCHARM didn't really have a theme this month. It doesn't look like it. Kind of just is talking about their bigger Boxy premium that they're doing. So they're going to be doing a $175 value box for $35. I think the $35 box for November is a one-time thing, I think. And that's going to be called their BOXYCHARM Premium. And then there's going to be the BOXYCHARM 2.0, which is the regular subscription box that they're increasing to $25 from the $21. There's some changes going on in BOXYCHARM, and if you guys want to know any information, I'll kind of try to put some stuff down in the description box. If you guys are actually interested in knowing about this stuff, I'll put it down there. But either way, we've got a really interesting box to go over. I already have some of the items on my face right now, and I will tell you guys, there's some pretty cool stuff in here. What number I got, and my number is 18. I got variation 18, and here's all the information. Oh, actually, the theme is Boxy After Dark. Oh, okay. Okay, so the first thing that I got inside of my box is something that I know a lot of you guys are probably so excited about. Dose of Colors was going to be in this box, and everybody was going to get an eyeshadow palette. There was a bunch of different variations. I got Sassy Siennas. Honestly, guys, this is really exciting for me. I was going to purchase this when it came out, and I actually waited a little too long, and then I was like, I'm not gonna get it, and I got it finally. I'm really excited about this. This is one of those palettes that I thought was so beautiful. So the outer carton looks just like this, says Sassy Siennas, and on the back you see all the pretty colors. And then when you open it up, let me show you guys what the inside looks like. It does come with a brush that fell on the floor. But yeah, it looks just like that. Look at those colors. Ah. Okay, so this is a beautiful fall palette, and this palette retails for $32. Already more than the box, and it's a Dose of Colors beautiful palette. I am so excited. This, I don't know, BOXYCHARM, guys, BOXYCHARM is really, really good. I have to admit, like, we sometimes get a little, but for the most part, throughout the entire year, we get some pretty damn good stuff. The next thing I got in my box is this one right here from Iconic London. This is the Prep Set and Glow. You guys see how cool this is? You shake it, it kind of like looks like it's, oh my God, look how cool that is. Do you guys see how cool that is? Oh my God, it's so neat. This is like the coolest thing ever. So this retailed for $29 US, and BOXYCHARM was starting to do kind of like customization. So you were able to pick one item from this box. This was the item that I actually picked that I wanted to be in this box. I forgot what the other option was, but this is what I wanted. So that was really cool. The next item that we got here is from Hank & Henry, and this is the Slick With It Mascara Duo. This is actually cool because it is a dual-ended mascara, and on one side you get like a regular mascara, on the other side you're getting like a lower lash line mascara. It retails for $19, and so you guys can see it looks like this. And on one side, if you open it up, it has this really, really thin mascara wand, so that's for like your lower lash line. And then, I just dirtied the white. On this side here, oh my God, am I opening? I opened the same side, Christina. Okay, then this side, the other side is the thicker wand. So this is like for your top lashes. So this is a really cool product, dual-ended mascara from Hank & Henry. And then we have from the brand Mellow, we have a tinted brow gel. So this is a brow gel that's supposed to be a lightweight, non-sticky gel formula. It's $16, and it looks like this. I am actually not going to open this one up because this I'm going to include in a future giveaway. This is actually in dark brown, so that would have matched me. So if they are starting to do this customization, that would have been an accurate color. So now the next item that we got in here, and did I tell you? And it retails for $16. And the final item that we got inside of the box is the Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. So this is supposed to be a rich intensity velvety eyeliner, and it's supposed to have a creamy formula, and it retails for $7. It's pretty cheap. So it looks just like this, so you guys can see. I'm not gonna be opening this one either, because this one I believe I'm gonna put in a future giveaway. So that is everything that I got inside of my BOXYCHARM. I think it was a pretty damn good box, to be honest, but we gotta try on the items to see if any of them are any good. From this box, I'm gonna be trying on 3 items, and let's get right into the try on right now. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try on the items that I'm gonna keep from this box so you guys can see them in action and get an idea of how good the quality of this box really is. So the first thing I'm going to try on is the Sassy Siennas. This is from Dose of Colors, and I was going to buy this. So happy I didn't. So we're gonna go ahead and do a autumn inspired eye look. A lot of you guys have actually been asking me to do something a little bit more autumn. Now inside of here, you're also getting a brush from Dose of Colors. This is a really good detail brush and probably gonna be really good for under the lower lash line. Now I can't use this like to do a full look. There's no way, but I do like this brush. It actually looks like it can be quite convenient. If you guys watched my trend finder, then you guys know that matte smoky eyes are gonna be very in for the fall. So that's exactly what we're gonna do here. We're gonna do a fun matte smoky eye. These colors are like insanely beautiful. I'm gonna grab this color right here and I'm gonna work that all over the crease and kind of work it close to the eyebrow. If you guys saw my Carly Bible review, which if you guys haven't, I'm gonna link it down below. I love these kind of shades. Anything that's like an orangey kind of shift to it. It's just so pretty. I'm also gonna bring that on the lower lash line. Okay, so I like the quality and I like the pigmentation of the shadow. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack on a darker color onto the whole lid. I'm just gonna go for like the darkest hue in here. I'm gonna go for this darker brown. This I'm gonna just like pat on the entire lid. We're gonna go for that smoky smoke look. That looks really cool. That has a lot of pigment. It's really blending really easily and even, and I am liking it. That's really, really, really pretty. So I'm just gonna grab into this more neutral shade here in the middle to use it to kind of smoke out any edges and tie the two colors together. Like I really wanted this to look really exaggerated, so that's why we're doing it very exaggerated. So now what I'm gonna do is just use a thinner brush and add a little bit of the dark brown to the lower lash line. So kind of start completing this look. There we go. There is our very dark smoky eye, and I think that this palette did a fantastic job. It really was able to grab a really good saturation, and the shadows actually blended really good. So I am very pleased so far, and yeah, I'm liking this. So this Sassy Siennas palette so far, to me, I really like it. I like the colors in it. I like that they're very, very different in hue so that you can really create some really dimensional eye looks. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's move on to the next product. The next item that I'm going to keep from this box is from Hank & Henry. I am pretty impressed with their liner that came in the last box, that I am actually wanting to keep this because I feel like it could be a really good product. And I'm very excited to try it. And this brand has me very interested. This is a dual-ended, what is it? A dual-ended mascara. So there's one side has a mascara. And what does the other side have? Is it a mascara too? Oh, this is awesome. So one side has a very thin mascara and the other side has a thick mascara. This is great for doing the lower lash line and also for the lashes. So let's go ahead and try this out. This actually has me pretty excited because we need to add a lot of mascara to this look because, you know, a smoky eye, you need some nice lashes when it comes to smoky eyes. So that did a really good job. Didn't do anything really volume wise, but definitely it added length. So it's definitely a length adder and I think it looks pretty nice. Doesn't make my eyes watery as of right now, so that's a plus. Let's use it on the eyelashes on our lower lash line. Let's see how this works down there, because actually that's the one I'm most excited for, is because I don't usually see wands this skinny. It's so skinny and nice. So let's see. Guys, I really like this mascara. It's so good. I really love actually the lower lash line one. It was able to get all the hairs, and I think it did a really great job. And the side for the top of the lashes actually worked pretty decent as well. Like I said, mostly length, but I did like it. I like this mascara. This is good. So this is another good item from Hank & Henry. I'm kind of starting to get pretty excited with that brand. I feel like they have some pretty good stuff. Now there's this item here from Iconic London. It's so cool because it has like this, okay, so this is like a water mist, but it has like glitter in it, and I think I want to try it because why not? So we're gonna go ahead and spray this on the face. I have everything on my face that I'm gonna wear, so let's go ahead and see if it gives me some glitter. It smells perfumey, but not annoying, so I don't mind that. So let's see, oh yeah, I think I look glistening. Do I look glistening? Do you guys see glistening? Let's see if it ruined my makeup. Hey, I kind of like that. It gave me a nice little shine. Do you guys see that shine that I have all of a sudden? All right, guys, and this is the final face look using all of the items that I got in my October of 2019 BOXYCHARM. And I have to say, guys, I am pleasantly surprised with a few of the items in here. I think this Dose of Colors Sassy Siennas palette was pretty spectacular to get inside of a BOXYCHARM. Like, honestly, guys, I mean, this is a very smoked out look that I wanted to do, but you can do more subtle looks with this, and these are beautiful colors. I absolutely love this palette. I actually can't wait to keep using it in different ways, and especially this is like the perfect time for a palette like this one. Like, this is like the perfect fall palette, and I love it. I think it's fantastic. I love the eye look. I love how smoky you can get it, and I'm super, super happy. The other item that I'm completely obsessed with is this Hank & Henry Mascara Duo. I think this was a really cool product. Like, it's really cool. I love that you can have a mascara on one side and a lower lash line mascara on the other side. I will tell you guys, lower lash line mascara, usually it's a pain in the butt for me because I tend to use the bigger mascaras all the time, and it clumps a little bit on the lower lash line for me, and I usually have to go like this with my finger to kind of fix it. I feel like this one did a really good job, and I'll probably reach for it more for the lower lash line mascara. But to know that there's both in one is also really convenient, because I do think the other mascara gave me length. Didn't give me too much volume, but it definitely gave me length. So I'm liking it. I definitely am, and I've been liking a lot of stuff from that brand. This Iconic London Prep Set and Glow, I like this. This is really nice. I feel like it gave me a nice glow to my skin. The scent is not overwhelming. It's not really annoying or anything, and it looks really nice. It looks dewy. It looks pretty. I like this. This is really cool. So those three products, the three products that I tried on for you guys, loving them. I think they're great. The other two products in here, I honestly feel like are just miscellaneous products. This is the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. I mean, like I said, I'm constantly not using brow gels. It's just not my thing. I have one from Anastasia that I kind of keep in my drawer. I use it every once in a blue moon. I know I'm never gonna get to this one, so that's why I'm gonna be including this one in a future giveaway. And this Hollywood and Vine Kohl Crayon, this is like a black eyeliner, and I have so many black eyeliners right now. You guys just saw me try on the Huda Beauty one. I have a few other ones right now already open. I figure one of you guys would probably enjoy this. Out of the 5 items, 3 of them were really, 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 really good. And the other 2 to me look like they're probably okay. There might be a dud in there, but I'm not 100% sure. So I think that this was a fantastic box. I mean, just for the 3 items I tried on and really loved, I think it was great. The Sassy Sienna palette is beautiful. So this is the total retail value of the box. So for right now, it is $21 a month for BOXYCHARM, but I believe November's box is gonna increase to $25 a month, and they are saying that you're gonna get $125 or more value. So this one is still in the 100 value, I think, and I love the items that I got. I think they're great. So anyways, guys, that is all I have for my October 2019 BOXYCHARM unboxing. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget, thumbs up, leave me your comments below. What did you guys get in your box? What did you like? What did you not like? Did you like my box or did you hate it? I want to know down below. And also, if you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you see me again. So anyways, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.